Hello, if you cannot recharge anymore your AirPods 4 and the charging case, then I can recommend you this simple solution. Basically, try to remove anything that is inside your USB-C port on your AirPods 4. So you will need to prepare the thin item. I'm actually using this SIM tool, but it's not recommended to apply here any metal parts. So you can actually try to use something plastic or made from the wood, and remove this both earbuds from the case and simply close this. Now I'm gonna put it a little bit closer to the camera just to show you how it looks. And you have to apply these items right here gently, just remember, and try to make this swipe gestures to the left side. There we go, but there's also something right here on the second part. So as you can see, all you have to do is just to simply swipe into the left or the right edge of this lightning port. I mean, this is actually the USB-C port. And simply be sure that you remove everything. So right now you will be able to try to reconnect with your cable, and maybe it will actually fix your issue. Okay, in my case, everything is fine right now. So yeah, that's how it looks. Tell me if it works. And right now, please subscribe to my channel.